So these are really good headphones. These are really good headphones. On a scale of 1 to 10, the sound of them is a solid 6, probably 6.5, and the noise cancellation it's a good 7, maybe in a 7.5. Unfortunately, it's not what I'm looking for. I wanted more of a stronger sound. They are the Pro version. My brother has the regular version, and he has been using them for like around a year, and he hasn't have any regrets in buying them. So if you're looking for a solid pair of headphones, I think these are good. But I think I would go with the regular version because the difference is just like 40 hours of playtime. That's a personal thing, but yeah.